I don't remember getting into music. I just remember music being a part of my life. My name is Emily McGill and I'm from Humboldt, Tennessee. In my day-to-day life, I do a lot of music. I also go to Bethel and I graduate in May, so between writing papers, I'm writing songs. I have a lot of influence from country music, but it's more alternative and folky. A little bit of pop country, but not as much as it is alternative. My favorite artists are probably Linda Ronstadt. I am obsessed with Casey Musgraves and John Mayer. What got me into music was from a very young age, my parents were in a band and they met in a band in the 80s, and my dad owned a music store. So I think I was just always raised around it. I think if I could say anything to the people that support me, it's just thank you and I love you so much, because there's so many people in Jackson that have supported me and my family for so many years. And when they talk to me about my mom, watching my mom and my dad, it's so cool that it's coming around full circle and I can kind of experience the same things that my mom and dad went through. My family band performs a lot of different places. We do house gigs and we do private parties. I love performing live because of the energy. It's so different than being in a studio and recording on a studio mic. And the crowd and getting the crowd involved in the performance is really awesome, and I love that part of it. I've been more of a songwriter lately than I have a performer. I love songwriting, but I've been going to Nashville and recording a lot lately, demos and my own original stuff. So music has absolutely helped me get through a tough time. It's gotten me through the worst times in my life. When my dad passed away, all I did was, write music and perform music and just kind of dove into it even deeper. My songwriting process is a little different than most people, because most people like to start with lyrics and then work their way backwards and then add the melody, but I'm a huge melody person. I love creating melodies and chord progressions, and so I enjoy starting with a melody and then just kind of seeing what happens and where I am mentally develops the song further. I pull inspiration from pretty much my everyday life, things that I go through, but also I take inspiration from things other people go through and try to put it into a song the best I can. But I feel like my better songs are the ones that are songs about things I've personally experienced. The song that I'm performing is called Write You Out of My Memory, and I wrote it from a personal experience that I went through, and it helped me complete the song.